Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get to the end of the obby in Freeplay mode. And you don't have to even do like the obby. So I don't know if it's gonna work if you don't have the speed walk, but basically I just walk down here and I just jump to the wall and I'm up here. So you don't actually have to do the obby. So yeah, that is pretty much it. It's just a quicker way to go here. If you don't want to do the obby, you can just jump twice and you're already up here. And it's a great place to take pictures as well. So yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.